There are a number of factors that need to be considered when developing any microcredential course, such as the level of pre-existing knowledge required, the method of delivery, and the flexibility of the program. This is mentioned by Oliver in their 2021 paper. I've extrapolated on these concepts and created a graphic in Miro board, visible here, that explores these contexts. The first thing to consider is the purpose of the microcredential. Is the learner studying this course for professional development and personal growth, or just a hobby, or are they looking for career advancement? In the example we'll be looking at with Unreal Engine and programming, our microcredential will primarily be offered for learners seeking career advancements or those transitioning to a new career. As Hodling and Summering discuss, microcredentials can be useful when there is a shift in the marketplace. For example, a movie-making studio may move from using real sets to using virtual sets that they manage through Unreal Engine, which would require a large number of employees to change their workflow and their skill sets. The next domain that Oliver mentions in their paper is prior experience, or the context of the learner themselves. Does the learner require previous qualifications before they attempt this course, such as computer science, or do they need to be employed in a particular field? There are many situations where this will be appropriate, such as a microcredential specifically catered to the needs of teachers or nurses. The context of the microcredential program itself is also important. How long does a course take to complete, and is it standalone or part of a larger program? Our example is going to consist of 4 smaller subjects building towards a single certificate. However, it could also form part of a larger computer science-related diploma if we developed it further. The cost of the course also needs to be considered, particularly if specialist computer programs are required prior to the learner starting the course. The final domain that Oliver discusses is the structure of the program. As the higher education industry shifts to a more online-based approach due to the ramifications of the COVID-19 pandemic, it's likely that most new courses will be offered online, but there are situations where face-to-face instruction is required, so the mode of delivery should be considered. The method of assessment is also very important, but I'll be discussing that further in much greater detail in a later video.